Tired of AI that just talks a good game but can't actually do anything in your other business software? What if your AI could securely and seamlessly connect to your CRM, your database, your email, and actually perform tasks for you? That's not a far off dream. It's becoming reality thanks to something called MCP, the Model Context Protocol. And today I'm breaking down what it is and its practical implications for making AI truly work for your business. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Adnan. And if you are here for the first time, I dive deep into the world of AI automation. My goal is to show you how these amazing AI systems can slash your costs, save you incredible amounts of time, and seriously boost your bottom line. I help businesses just like yours harness this power, and understanding concepts like MCP is key to unlocking that next level of AI capability. Okay, so we all know AI chatbots are getting incredibly smart. They can write, they can summarize, brainstorm, but let's be honest, they often don't do much outside their chat window. They get stuck in a conversation loop. They can't easily use your other critical business tools, your calendar, your CRM, your database, and trying to connect them historically, that meant custom integrations for every single tool, which are complex, expensive to build, and super brittle. They break easily if anything changes. But what's the dream? The dream is AI that actually works for you. Imagine an AI that can seamlessly use your tools, automatically updating your CRM after a call, fetching real-time data from your company database to answer a complex query, managing your calendar, or even drafting and sending emails on your behalf. Truly assisting with complex multi-step tasks. That's where we are headed. And the technology making this dream a practical reality is MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as the universal translator for AI agents. It's an open standard, reportedly open sourced by Anthropic around November 24, designed to let AI models and external tools speak the same language. Some people call it the USB-C for AI. You just plug and play your tools. Instead of custom coding every connection, MCP provides a standardized way for an AI, like your LLM, to discover what tools are available, like Salesforce, Google Drive, Slack, as you see here, and how to interact with them securely. So why is MCP such a game changer? It's all about solving the AI integration nightmare. Before MCP, connecting every AI to every tool was a custom coding headache. Imagine a tangled mess of wires. That was the old way. With MCP, you get a standard connection. It's clean, it's simple, and you teach your AI to speak MCP. And you make your tools MCP compatible. And after that, they can all communicate much more efficiently. This dramatically reduces the development effort and complexity. Now, let's quickly touch on how MCP works in simple terms. You've got two main players. First, the MCP host or client. This is your AI assistant. It could be a model like Claude or a custom AI agent that you are building. It's the part that needs to do something or get some information. Second, the MCP server. This is essentially a wrapper around your tool or data source, like your CRM, your database, your email system. It exposes the capabilities of that tool in a way the MCP client can understand. So MCP is the protocol, the set of rules that standardizes the conversation and actions between this AI client and that tool server, making sure they understand each other securely and efficiently. This all sounds cool, but what are the key benefits of MCP specifically for businesses? Why should you care? First of all, more powerful AI. This is huge. Your AI agents can actually act on information, not just chat about it. They can execute tasks. Simplified integration, so it means less custom coding, which equals to faster setup, lower development costs, and easier maintenance. It offers scalability. It becomes much easier to add more tools to your AI's arsenal and expand its capabilities as your business grows. Then, model agnostic. So this is a big one. Because it's a standard, you gain flexibility. You might be able to switch out the underlying AI model, for example, from Claude to Gemini to whatever comes next and whatever you wish, without having to rebuild all your tool integrations from scratch, as long as they all support MCP. Then it enhances security. So MCP is designed with security in mind, providing a framework for standardized, auditable access to your valuable tools and data. So you control what the AI can see and do. So what becomes possible with this truly connected AI powered by MCP? The real world impact is significant. Imagine AI customer support that doesn't just answer FAQs, but actually resolves issues by interacting with your backend systems, like checking order status, processing a refund, updating account details. You can picture an AI sales assistant that listens to your meeting recording, drafts a follow-up email, and updates the deal stage in your CRM, or an AI data analyst that can pull reports from multiple sources like your analytics, your sales figures, your inventory, and provide consolidated insights. For a company, an AI agent could use MCP to query their lab equipment inventory, check a customer's past order history in the CRM, and then draft a personalized resupply or upgrade email, all orchestrated smoothly. The future of AI in business is deeply connected AI, and MCP is a crucial foundational piece making that happen. We are seeing major players like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft either developing, adopting, or supporting this standard. So an ecosystem of MCP-enabled tools and platforms is rapidly growing, and what this does is it empowers you, whether you are building these systems or using off-the-shelf AI solutions, to create or leverage far more sophisticated and effective AI automations. So, model context protocol. It's a bit technical, but the implications are massive for making AI more than just a chatbot. It's about enabling AI to become a true digital assistant that can act across your business systems. So what are your thoughts? Comment below. How do you think AI, especially AI that can act using protocols like MCP, is going to reshape and empower your business or industry? I'm really curious to hear your perspectives. If this explanation helped you understand MCP a bit better, please give this video a like, and it really helps spread the word. And for more AI explorations, deep dives into concepts, and practical automation builds, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And as always, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Keep exploring, keep automating.